Did you know you can grow fresh ginger at home, even if you don't have a garden? In this video, I will show you step by step how to grow ginger in a simple bag, from choosing the right ginger root to harvesting a fresh supply after several months. This method is perfect for beginners, balcony gardeners, and anyone with limited space. Stay until the end, because I will show you the common mistakes that stop ginger from growing well. What you need: a large growing bag, 15 to 25 liters or bigger, healthy ginger root, rich potting soil, compost or organic manure, water, a warm location with indirect sunlight. The secret to growing ginger successfully is giving the plant enough space underground, because the ginger we harvest is actually the underground stem called a rhizome. Choosing and preparing ginger. Choose fresh ginger that has small green buds or eyes. Avoid ginger that looks dry, damaged, or rotten. Cut ginger into pieces with 1 to 2 healthy buds. Allow the cut pieces to dry for 24 hours. Soak them in water overnight before planting. Preparing your growing bag. Recommended mix: 60% garden soil, 30% compost, 10% sand or coconut peat. Ginger loves loose soil because the roots need space to grow. Heavy, compact soil can mess up its growth and rot. Fill the bag halfway first. Place ginger pieces with buds facing upward. Cover with 2 to 5 centimeters of soil. Water gently. Place the bag in a warm area. Do not bury ginger too deeply. The plant needs enough energy to push new shoots above the soil. Caring for ginger plants. Watering. Keep the soil slightly moist, but never waterlogged. Ginger prefers bright, indirect sunlight. Too much harsh afternoon sun can damage the leaves. Add compost or organic fertilizer every few weeks to encourage bigger rhizomes. Using small bags. Overwatering. Overwatering. Planting unhealthy ginger. Poor soil drainage. Harvesting too early. Many beginners focus only on the leaves, but the real harvest is growing underground. When and how to harvest. Ginger usually takes around 8 to 10 months to fully mature. When the leaves begin turning yellow and drying, it is a sign that the rhizomes are ready. Stop watering a few days before harvest. Empty the bag carefully. Remove the ginger. Save a healthy piece for the next planting season. Growing ginger in bags is one of the easiest ways to produce your own fresh spice at home. You don't need a large farm. With the right soil, care, and patience, one small piece of ginger can become a valuable harvest. If you enjoyed this beginner gardening guide, subscribe for more videos on growing vegetables and herbs at home.